Magkraft introduces a non-contact two-vector magnetic particle inspection machine for MPI of ring gears with an integrated demagnetizer. Because of their unique geometry, ring gears cannot be magnetized using conventional headshot and coil shot techniques. Magkraft has designed this machine for magnetic particle testing of ring gears using induced magnetization technique to generate magnetic flux in the ring gear. Circular magnetic field is generated by using a central conductor. Defects along the axis of the gear and radial defects can be checked with this field. The longitudinal magnetic field is generated by using a laminated yoke. The yoke is passed through the center of the ring gear. The ring gear acts as a transformer secondary winding. When the yoke is magnetized using a variable current, an eddy current is induced in the ring which flows along its periphery. This current generated a magnetic field all around the circumference of the ring gear. Circumferential cracks can be checked with this technique. It is a completely non-contact method of magnetization. It ensures that there are no sparks and localized heating of the ring gear. A separate part loading station has been provided on the machine so that the loading is easy and does not interfere with the main parts of the machine. A motorized trolley takes the part to the magnetization station. A rotating fixture has been provided to rotate the job while inspecting. This machine has features such as single-touch operation by pressing a foot switch and digital ammeters with retention. This machine has a built-in demagnetizer to demagnetize the ring gear after inspection. All in all, it is a very innovative and unique solution for magnetic particle testing of ring gears. We can design customized magnetic particle testing machines based on the geometry of your parts and the inspection rate. Please contact us to discuss your application.